Hello and welcome to Lifestyle Medicine. Join me on a 7-day journey designed to enhance energy and vitality. We're going to use tools from ancient traditions and modern science to help us learn what really works for you to improve your sense of physical, emotional, spiritual health and well-being. On this journey, you're going to experiment with yoga, sauna, meditation, mantras, pranayama, mudra, sound, chanting, aromatherapy, and having a 10-year-old with you 24/7 to intentional gratitude. To find out what really works for you. Diet and compassion bring greater joy to your everyday life.